Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we're going to look at the Great Pretender, and that is the Joker. Let's go! Okay, so we're going to look at the prize that I got for winning one of the weekly tournaments here in the Philippines, and it is none other than the Prince of Crime himself, the Joker. Okay, so you can see the figure on the right side here, and it is similar to the DC Notorious sculpt of the Joker, if I'm not mistaken, which is a good thing because I did not get a lot of DC figures, especially from the Notorious set, and I love this particular sculpt. The color of the coat of Joker is classic, and he is somewhat puppeting someone, or I guess orchestrating a crime. Okay, so he seems to be on top, manipulating people to do his bidding. Very typical of the Joker. Okay, so you can see the Joker here. He's got this Batman enemy team ability and a bunch of powers. Let's take a look at his card. Okay, as the champion, I got to choose first, and definitely my choice was the Joker. Arkham Asylum, Gotham City Underworld, and Monster keyword. Okay, Monster is a very good keyword as of recording this video. There's a lot of good monster figures, and moreover, the trait of Joker makes him really meta. Okay, so let's see who's under that mask, shall we? At the beginning of the game, you may replace the Joker with a character of 50 points or less and the monster keyword on their starting click. This game, that character can use the standard powers the Joker can use on his starting click and has Batman enemy, and when this character would take damage, instead replace them with the Joker on his starting click. Okay, so for 55 points, he has plasticity, senses, and exploit. Okay, so I guess if you choose that monster to replace the Joker, then that particular monster gets those 3 powers. Okay, plus the Batman enemy team ability, wherein when that character attacks, you may replace its attack value with the printed attack value of an adjacent friendly character that can use the same team ability. Okay, does any monster of 50 points come to your mind? Okay, the correct answer is Kong. Okay, so you replace this particular Joker with Kong, and then Kong, of course, does all the greatness that he does, and on top of that, he will have a secondary rollout. Aside from his impervious, he will have super senses, and then he will have plasticity, and he will have exploit weakness. Okay, because I remember Kong can deal penetrating, but only when on top of an elevation or attacking somebody with flight or colossal. Okay, but with this particular Joker, exploit weakness becomes standard, and then therefore Kong can already deal penetrating damage. Although in this case, remember, when Kong takes 1 damage, then he reverts back to the Joker, revealing that it was the Joker all along. Okay, I would probably I don't know, equip Joker with a Warlock sword, because the Warlock sword gives shape change. Okay, and then that would mean when I replace Joker, then the Warlock sword is dropped, and then King Kong can equip the Warlock sword that will grant him shape change, senses, and impervious. Okay, so the only way to deal with Kong by then, I guess, would be via Pulse Wave, but you can probably pair him up with a Ghost Rider, okay, to go against possible Pulse Wave. Okay, so he also has a special attack power, which is a little sniff, never hurt anyone, poison, but deals damage even if moved or placed. So I'm not so sure whether the replaced character will gain poison. It does say standard powers, but this one is a special attack power. Okay, but he gets a standard power from that special power. My sense is that it doesn't work because this is a special type of poison. Okay, so but what do you guys think? You can share your thoughts on the comment. But whatever it is, the answer for that question, it is still an amazing Heroclix piece. I rarely keep DC, but this one definitely I'm going to keep, as moving forward this can be a meta figure. Bye bye guys.